my dear wonderful second PUC biology champions. I hope you're doing great. I think this is going to be one of the most awaited video for bio for so long now, because I'm seeing a lot of comments saying that, ma'am, I'm really scared for biology. I'm really scared for biology. And you know what? After seeing all these comments, I am getting scared that my dear children do not realize that they are actually fighters, and fighters do not give up. Yeah, children, we are fighters and we do not give up. We try. Listen, the first thing that you have to do is fight. Forget about winning or losing over here. That is the second thing, right? If at all you just sit over here and say that I am scared, you're making yourself believe that you are scared and you are not going to do anything. On the other hand, if at all you could have typed that I am worried as of now, but I'll do my best. That is self-motivation. So always keep that in mind. I went ahead a bit beyond biology and as of now trying to motivate you guys, but that is the first thing that you have to do, okay, in bio. The second thing that you should not be doing is that please do not make long notes as of now. This is not the correct time. 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, yeah, 4 days, 26th and 27th, you have to learn Kannada, right. So in for these 4 days, obviously, if you're starting off biology in some day out there, and if at all you're just sitting there and making long notes, it will be a waste of time, okay, which is why I'm telling you, you can refer to the notes that I have made, or basically which is available to you online. Or if you really want to make notes, just have some sticky notes, use your NCERT, stick onto the page of the NCERT, that's all. Do not have long notes. And I've seen a lot of comments saying we do not know how to download the PDF, things like that. So you scroll down, okay, a bit, you will be able to, in the description section, you will be able to see this. To get lecture notes, PDFs of this particular lecture, join Deeksha Karnataka. That's a WhatsApp channel. You can exit at whatever time you want. If you want the PDF over here, go just join. Okay, go just join this, and we are not going to spam you, don't worry. And you will get all the PDFs. Now, if you feel that, ma'am, PDF is not updated, my name is Jasmine Joy. I promise you, I will go and type the message and put it in the WhatsApp channel with all the necessary links for the PDF download as well. Got it? That's something that I can promise from my end. I'll frame the message. I'll do that. Yeah, once this video is being released. Now listen to me carefully. Okay. What are the chapters that you should be completing first? Obviously, within these 4 days, when you have n number of other subjects also to cover, you cannot probably go ahead giving so many days for biology, which is exactly why you should be covering at least these chapters first. These chapters has to be covered first. Got it? Okay, why I'm telling you that these chapters are something that you have to cover first is that according to the blueprint that is being shared, okay, you know that the marking scheme goes like this. Sexual reproduction flowering plants gives you 1 marker, 1 2 marker, 1 3 marker, 1 5 marker. So basically, I have taken all those chapters together, which can give you the maximum amount of marks. And that is basically the maximum amount of marks from these chapters is 65. Obviously, the entire syllabus, the maximum is 70. But with the minimum chapters, what you can get, that was my sole concern. So these are the minimum chapters. Out of 13, at least 9. This is the minimum that it can go. And when I say that you have to study these chapters, I mean you should know each and every single line of this chapter. You should know it really well. Otherwise, you will not be able to score the whole 65 on 65 with these chapters as well. Okay, so how do you get 65 and 65? Basically, if I do the calculation of the 1 marker, almost 15 questions can be taken from this particular chapters out there. That means 15 marks you will get. Okay, 15 marks you can get if at all you get all of them correct. Now, in the 2 marker, you can attempt only 5 of them. So, if I take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, I can attempt 5 of them, I'll get 10 marks. In 3 marker, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 option is there, but out of that, I can attempt only 5. Again, 5 into 3, 15 marks. 5 marker, you can attempt 5 of them. So, any calculation you do, basically, you can attempt 5 questions, 25 marks. But the problem over here is that you need to be pro in this chapter such that you can write, okay, you can write the answers for this. The questions could be coming twisted. So, you should be ready to face any of this. How can you be ready? You should have a clear approach as in how you should be covering a chapter. Okay, so please take a screenshot of this. These chapters are really important, and as I said, take it seriously, very seriously. Okay, now over here, how should I complete a chapter? If I were you, what would I have done? So first of all, concepts has to be done. The second thing that has to be done is question. Okay, the first thing, concept. Your concept should be super strong. There is no point in mugging up a question. I'll tell you, in biology, you will not get repeated question as such. Very less chances of the question to be exactly repeated word to word. But concept will definitely be repeated. They might ask you in a twisted format. So please have that understanding that my concept has to be strong for giving answers up there. Okay, so concept strong, how do you make that? Basically, you should know your NCERT. You should know your NCERT. And at this particular point of time, I do not expect anyone to go to, touch the NCERT for the first time. Okay, which is why there is Master Stroke series. If at all you do not know about it, please know about it now. Master Stroke series is a one-shot lecture video for all the chapters out there. Now, I'm not suggesting you to go see the entire chapters. Listen, you have your midterms been done, you have your preparatory exam been done, you know that there are some chapters over here that is complete from my end, as in that is complete from my end. In that case, what you have to do is just do a revision, very quick revision, and go ahead with question solving. In that case, question solving is your priority. Now, in this list, if there is some chapter that you have not covered until now, or you feel that it is very difficult for you, at that particular point of time, I'd request you to go watch the Master Stroke video. In this Master Stroke video, it's a one-shot lecture that is given for the chapters out there, which you can watch and complete. So what you can do is, you have your NCERT with you, you have the Master Stroke, you can keep it in 2x speed, whatever speed you want, and basically study from me and go through the NCERT. If there anything being missed, is there anything that needs more clarity, just check through it. Okay, in that way we cover fast. And I am telling you again, this is not for views, which is why I am telling you, you need not watch the entire videos out there. The chapters which is difficult for you, those chapters have to be watched. Please understand, sometimes we think that, okay, we'll start from the starting, again starting. You keep yourself in a loop of chapters. No, you might be pro in some chapters already. Please just do the question, revise it and do the question. That's the only thing that you need over there. The chapters which you're scared of, which has high weightage, those chapters have to be covered like this. Okay, now after you are done with this, as I told you, question practice is super important. And if at all you do not know, okay, if at all you are someone who is very new to this particular channel, let me tell you, I have done a video on all MCQs. It's pretty long video, to be very honest. 3 hours 39 minutes is the video, but it's going to be worth it. I went chapter by chapter. So once your chapter is done, suppose I feel molecular basis of inheritance is difficult for me. I take molecular basis of inheritance, I study from here, I go there, I move my cursor around there, I reach molecular basis of inheritance chapter, I do the questions, 1-marker questions of molecular basis of inheritance. Now what do? I come ahead and basically watch the 2 and 3-marker questions from molecular basis of inheritance. Now on Tuesday, so this has been released already, both of them you can find under recorded video session. Under normal video session, okay, or basically there is a playlist already being made. You can just click on that, you will be able to see it. Okay, there is a 5-marker video that is soon going to be released. It will be released by Tuesday. Okay, now this particular video is one of my favorite. Why do I say one of my favorite? Is that I had taken a live recently, that is yesterday, and I saw a lot of children got the benefit of it. So many of you were saying it was really helpful for them. So if by any chance you have missed that live, it is top 50 questions, and these are very unique questions. Okay, these questions I have not taken it anywhere else. Most of them are very unique. I have taken HOTS question, high order thinking question as well, in terms of 2-marker, 3-marker and 5-marker. You will be able to see that. Okay, please watch this video. Please watch this video whenever you have got time. This is ultimately super important. Different type of questions will be there. So this is like extra thing that you can do for yourself for your biology preparation that you have. Okay, so this is not divided chapter wise. So there is no chapter wise segregation. This is a whole different thing. So if you feel that, okay, I need a kick start, okay, I need an understanding of what is important and things like that, you can just start off with this particular video as well and then go chapter by chapter also. It's according to you. You know where you stand. It's not me, okay? It's you who knows where you stand. I'm just here to guide you with things. So if you are someone who just want to go chapter by chapter, do this as I told you guys. Otherwise, you have one more thing that it's not otherwise, you have to watch this video anyhow. Okay, top 50 questions, you please watch this video. If you feel the video is too long as a live is going on, you can at least check out the PDF of it. In the PDF, when you find a trouble, watch the video and check what is ma'am telling over there. What is the basic understanding of that particular question if you get stuck there. But the reason I suggest you to watch the video is that sometimes you get a new approach to solve a question, and sometimes it stays for a longer time when you hear some come and speak about that, right? So that is the reason I told. It's totally upon you guys. I know you have limited time. I do not want to give you too much amount of task out there. This is just a normal thing that as a teacher, as a friend, I can help you with. Yeah? Works. So please concept first and then questions. Master stroke only for the videos or chapters that you feel it's super tough for you. Question for all the chapters. Questions are for all the chapters, regardless what is tough, what is easy. Every single chapter out there, you should be practicing questions. Okay? Now, one very important thing, and that is a reminder that you can do it. Why I'm telling you is that you guys poured your trust on me during biology practicals, and you do not know how happy I was. Like literally, I could not even put down all the comments over here because there were so many. You guys said that your biology practical examination went great. You got out and out, and lots of things out there. First of all, you put your trust, and remember that whenever you put a trust on a teacher, or at least on me, I make sure that I do not break your trust. The same thing is what I want to tell you over here. That was practical examination. You did well over there. This is your boards. This is also your final boards, just like your final practicals. And I'm telling you, you keep your trust on me. You keep working hard. You will definitely ace your biology boards as well. The previous year, I remember most of you guys got, most of the children the previous year got 100 and 100 in biology. The maximum was 100 and 100 in biology. That was super crazy, right? So I expect the same from you. And when I say I expect, is because I know your capability. You are super awesome children. Okay, so please believe that you can, and just go ahead. And if at all there is any chance that you can give at least one day for biology in this coming 4 days, if there is a chance, then please have this particular timetable. I know it might be difficult for you to cover up all of it, but the thing is, I have kept the timing like this for a reason. 6 to 10 a.m. sexual reproduction, flowering plants, human reproduction, reproductive health, because these are chapters that you have covered before. These are the chapters that you have covered before. 4 hours is maximum that you should be giving to these chapters. I'm saying chapter plus question practice. Chapter along with question practice. Listen, one more very important thing before I go ahead with that, and that is basically there is n number of ways to dealing with things. You have question bank, you have model question paper, everything. By the way, all your model question paper questions, all your important question bank questions are also being covered over here. So there is no separate thing, because I know you do not have time. Now if you feel that no, I do not want to watch your videos, ma'am, I want to do the question bank directly, please do that. I do not mind it. Okay, but I am telling you as a teacher, this would be more than enough for your practice. Okay, so yes, the same thing that I want to tell over here also. When I say these chapters are there, you basically solve the questions from the videos that I have showed you, 1 marker, 2 marker, 3 marker, and the 5 marker, which is soon going to be released, and top 50 most expected questions whenever you have time. Okay, whenever you have time, you give a separate slot for it and do that in any day. So in this particular day, if at all you do not want to include top 50 questions, it's okay. Okay, but the other question practice 1, 2, 3 marker as well as the 5 marker whenever it is released, it's very important for you to solve. Okay, now 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. out there, principles of inheritance and molecular basis of inheritance. These are 2 important chapters out there. You get 3 hours for that. That's all. Not beyond that. Not beyond that. You have completed these chapters before. If at all you're giving more time, you will try to fill in that time. You get it? 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. evolution and human health and diseases is there. 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. microbes in human welfare and biodiversity and conservation. This chapter is a small chapter. And yes, okay, 9:30 to 12 p.m. you have biotechnology principles and processes and biotechnology and its application. You're left with 2 more chapters. Any other day, if you have got any slot, cover organisms and population as well as your ecosystem out there. Okay, both of them are comparatively easy, which is why I kept it. So this day is going to be fully utilized. If at all you have a day, I'm talking about if at all you have a day, you can utilize it like this. It is going to be, you have to give your 100% out. There is no point of, missing out on things. Okay, so you have to give your 100% on that day, and I believe you will. Will you? I believe you will, and if at all you will do that, comment this down that yes, ma'am. Now, no more getting scared. I will aim for 70 and 70 on 70 in bio. Comment it down right now. And if you want any of my help, please let me know. I'm here to help you with that. And also one more very important thing, that is, there will be a video coming up like it's like a full length video, 12 hours, something like that. It's a pre-recorded videos which will be mushed together, given to you. So it will be having all the chapters questions, So it's like a full day that could be utilized. So if you are like, if you want a preparation like in that way, you can wait for that particular video also. I think it will be given to you on Monday. Yes? Yes. So that's the only thing that I had to tell you guys, and I hope this video was helpful for you. And by the way, if anyone is preparing for KCET, that is KC30 batch that we have launched, which has complete syllabus coverage, there will be chapter-wise KCET questions as well with solutions. Apart from that, it is given to you in test format also, so that you can check your speed and accuracy. And the start date for this is 21st of March. Remember, there are 10 full-length mock tests also being added up. The pricing is 2499. It will be ending on 25th of February. The offer price is there. It will end on 25th of February. So if at all you're interested, go take it up. And that's all for today. Go study and do not be scared anymore. Okay, lots of love from Jasmine ma'am, and God bless you all.